Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela.
Yo guys, kushubile skaxa after skaxa, iwishi angiyazi mina lento. The Mpisanes and Shozis are topping the trends. Finally, Andile Mpisane broke his silence after accusations that were made by Sithelo Shozi. Sithelo publicly came out and said Andile Mpisane has been physically and emotionally abusing him. The famous Musa broke the news and came with receipts. Apparently, Andile was also abused by Sithelo Shozi, and he even applied for protection order against his baby mama, Sithelo. Musa Kaula tweeted a series of tweets and wrote, "On the 17th December 2021, Andile Mpisane took a protection order against Sithelo Shozi, citing physical and emotional abuse. The protection order details upon their breakup, Andile Mpisane went to Sithelo's place where he was assaulted and had his windscreen broken. A thread. Wait a minute. So Andile got married on the 17th of December 2021, and it's actually the same day he took a protection order against Sithelo. Something is not adding up, or I'm just reading too much into this. But let me tell." Another tweet reads as follows: Andile Mpisane described Sithelo Shozi as a violent and aggressive person. He further says Sithelo has harassed his family and friends by constantly calling them. Andile Mpisane says Sithelo Shozi further assaulted her on the 4th December 2021 and called her names. Another tweet said, "On the protection order, Andile Mpisane says on the 15th December 2021, Sithelo Shozi followed her to an event where she belittled him and said he is useless and F loser." Musa also exposed Sithelo Shozi about the WhatsApp conversation she had with Mamkhize. Allegedly, Mogel edited the conversation. Musa showed the original conversation and captioned, "Context: Sithelo Shozi shared a screenshot that Andile Mpisane assaulted her in front of the family." It turns out that the conversation Sithelo Shozi shared wasn't about the abuse, but complaining about Andile whoring himself and partying all the time. Sithelo said, "Ma, yes, I really don't know what to say or do with Andile anymore at this stage. We last spoke on Friday, where he disappeared off to throw parties with girls, knowing very well this week is the week we go to hospital to deliver. On Monday, he missed the appointment, which was his third missed one in a row. As much as I'd come to terms with making him a part of everything, he's proving impossible every chance he gets. If he wants to go crazy, because it's what he has been doing since he started pulling Sizwe in his circle, then he should probably do so freely and without me." And that's when Mamkhize said she can't help her, she's in court as she speaks. Yo, this is so confusing. We don't know what to believe anymore. What do you think about this whole situation, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.